Although you are from the Igbo-speaking part of Delta State, these agitations you talk about, these cries from Southeasterners that the position of the next president should have been theirs, do you think that where you come from is enough to pacify them? Are you the bridge builder between the South-South and the Southeast? And how do you intend to bring them on board?
I'm definitely an Igbo man. There's no doubt about that. I'm from Delta State in the South-South, but if you're looking at Igbos across the country, I'm an Igbo man. I can't be counted out, and that is a true situation. Okay.
That was Ifeanyi in 2022 saying on Arise TV that he is an Igbo man. Now, we Anioma people are agitating for Anioma state to be created and zoned to the southeast. But Ifeanyi, who said that he is an Igbo man, don't want Anioma state to be zoned to the southeast. In Guardian newspaper, look at what Okowa did here. Okowa shows Anioma summit as Agbo monarch endorses state creation. And after that, it continued. The immediate past governor of Delta State, Dr. Ifeanyi, and some notable political personnel in Delta North have shunned the Anioma Stakeholders Summit organized by Senator Ned Nwoko to push for the creation of Anioma State. The Guardian learned that although the former governor was invited to the summit, he declined to attend, not only because he was not initially involved in the scheme of things, but also due to the notion that ceding the proposed state to other regions would be seen as a Pyrrhic victory after all. This development was confirmed by the convener himself, Senator Ned Nwoko, who stated categorically that Okowa would want the new state, if created, to remain in the south-south part of the country. The same Okowa that said in 2022 that he is an Igbo man is saying that he don't want Anioma state, that is an Igbo state, to be part of the southeast. In that 2022, people that were campaigning to be the president of Nigeria, people like Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Peter Obi, Atiku, they were campaigning to be the president of Nigeria. And Ifeanyi wants to be the vice president of Nigeria under Atiku. Ifeanyi was looking for votes. He wants Atiku to win the presidential election so that he, Okowa, will be the vice president. So Okowa needed the vote and support of the southeast. That was why he came out and said that he is an Igbo man. If not, deep down, Okowa not see himself as Igbo person. Okowa only said that he is Igbo for political reasons. Why he be say, now during that presidential campaign, Okowa fi come and talk say, him be Igbo man. Why he not talk him years before he become governor of Delta State? Why not talk him years before he become the senator of Anioma land? This is for us to know that Ifeanyi was saying that he is an Igbo man is just for politics. If Okowa truly meant what he said when he said that he is an Igbo man, why is he against the zoning of Anioma state to the southeast? You say you be Igbo, but you no want to join your Igbo brothers. Since Okowa make that statement for 2022, when he talk say him be Igbo man, how many things where they do for southeast where Okowa they go? You be Igbo person, but you know they associate with your southeast brothers. This is for us to know that Okowa only say that just to get votes from Ndi Igbo. Some politicians from Anioma, if they won't do anything where they say they need support, they go start to talk say they be Igbo people. And that is what Ifeanyi did. The reason why Ifeanyi don't want Anioma state to join the southeast is simply because he knew that Senator Ned Nwoko wants Anioma State to be in the southeast. That is his agenda. But Ifeanyi Okowa don't want Senator Ned Nwoko to actualize that state, because he knows that if Senator Ned Nwoko actualize Anioma State and his southeast zoning, he will be seeing himself as a subordinate. He will start saying that Senator Ned Nwoko is now the father of Anioma State. He will be like, how I go dey make Ned Nwoko actualize Anioma State? Waiting people will call to talk about me. When I be senator, I not get Anioma State. When I be governor, I not get Anioma State. I not gonna allow this man get this thing. Make I start to the demand, make Anioma State dey for South as a means to sabotage what he's doing. Let's play the politics. That is what Ifeanyi Okowa is doing. We will say, we dey talk say we want Anioma State so that we will have 3 senators in Anioma, so that we will have 6 representatives in the House of Rep, so that Ukwuani can be governor, Eka can be governor, Oshimiri and Anocha can be governor. Even with all these benefits where we dey talk say we want to make Anioma people start to the benefit if we get Anioma State, and make Anioma State join Southeast, so that we Anioma people, we go know wetin our Southeast brothers know. We go learn trade wey they learn. We go develop like them. Every good thing where they sabi, we go learn now. Make we know how to do market, make we know how to do business, make work dey for Anioma land. All these things now wetin we dey talk say we Anioma people need. But these politicians are not seeing this from this our angle, because they are fighting for power. Okowa not the reason whether if we get Anioma State, say he fit be senator again representing Ika people. You know the reason that one. You know the reason say Ukwuani person go be the senator representing Ukwuani people. You know the reason that one. You know the reason say Oshimiri and another person go be the senator representing those regions. You know the reason that one. You know the reason say if we get Anioma State, say he can be the governor of Anioma State. You know the reason that one. All he is clamoring for is to be the grandfather of Anioma State. I didn't know say in order to sabotage what Senator Nwoko is doing, he have to say that he wants Anioma State to be in the south, and that is what he is doing. Those Ukwuani people that are saying, we don't want Anioma State to join the southeast, some of them are working with Okowa. But majority of those Ukwuani people that are saying that they don't want to join the southeast is because they are suffering from identity crisis. Ukwuani people were separated from their southeast brothers. During the Biafra war, Ukwuani elders told their children to deny that they are not Igbo people if anyone asks them whether they are Igbo people or not. So Ukwuani children started passing that information to their own children. That is why you are seeing some Ukwuani people saying that they are not Igbo people. Now some of them don't they realize wetin we dey talk, start to embrace their Igbo identity. If you check Ukwuani history, so many Ukwuani people migrated from the southeast. So many Ukwuani people migrated from Oshimiri and Anyocha land. Some Ukwuani people migrated from Ika land. Same way, so many Ika people migrated from Ukwuani land. Same way, some Oshimiri and Anyocha people migrated from Ukwuani land. But even with all this historical analysis, some of these Ukwuani people are saying that they are not Igbo people. And that's because of divide and rule. This set of Ukwuani people don't know that the reason why Okowa is saying that he don't want Anioma State to join Southeast is simply because of godfatherism. He wants to be the father of Anioma. Those set of Ukwuani people where want to make with the South, they support Okowa for him stand. Their sense where they not get, not tell them say, we Ukwuani people, we have never benefited anything in this South. We don't have road. We don't have federal and state university. We don't have federal and state hospital in our land. We don't have lights. Nothing is in Ukwuani land. Ukwuani region is the most backward region in Anioma land. They're not the reason all these things. Instead, you go see them. They come online, they talk nonsense. Poverty-stricken people coming online to say rubbish. You speak Igbo language, Igbo culture and tradition. If you say anything in Ukwuani land, our brothers in the southeast hear and understand. If our brothers in the southeast speak their dialect, Ukwuani people hear and understand. You don't understand dialect where they say, you not learn them for school. If they speak, you don't hear. Your sense supposed to say, you and these people are brothers. But this set of Ukwuani people will not know what they happen. They follow Okowa, they thought say they want to make Anioma State live for South. Politicians are benefiting from the crude area in Ukwuani land. Ukwuani people that are not benefiting from that crude oil still want Ukwuani land to remain in the south. Since Ukwuani people dey for western region, Ukwuani people have been marginalized. We dey for midwestern region, Ukwuani people have been marginalized. We dey for delta state, Ukwuani people have been marginalized. We dey this delta state since, even when this our geographical location is originally in the southeast, they kept us separate from our southeast brothers. All the marginalization where we Ukwuani people don dey face since, not be southeast they do also. Now make we get Anioma state, make we join our southeast brothers, where we say not be them be our problem. Some Ukwuani people say that they want to remain in the south. You follow politician wey get money, politician wey not dey suffer, politician wey dey fight for position, politician wey wan be grandfather, wey wan be godfather of Anioma. You follow am, dey fight yourself. The poverty in Ukwuani land is not caused by the federal government, it's not caused by the state government, it's caused by the way so many Ukwuani people reason. If we still get this Anioma state now, Ukwuani people will be left behind because they are not sabi play politics, they are not lending their voice, they are just quiet, nothing. Even for this Anioma state agitation, Ukwuani people not get interest. Instead of them to be saying that they want the capital city of Anioma to be in Ukwuani land, no be that one that they talk. They just sit down, keep quiet. The major people that are in forefront of this Anioma state agitation are Oshimiri and Anyocha people. See how kings from Oshimiri and Anyocha they represent. They go public hearing, they travel, they make sure say that they speak up for the sake of Anioma people. How many Ukwuani people did that place they represent? This is the problem that we are facing in Ukwuani land. But some of our youths not they reason that way. All they know is we don't want to join southeast. You poor, you don't get anything, you are backward. Southeast is not a problem. Yet, because of propaganda where you don't hear, lies where they don't tell you about southeast, you dey talk say you no wan join southeast. Say you want to remain for south, where you dey since where you know the progress. Okowa, it's very bad that you said you are Igbo, but deep down inside you, you know that you only said that thing just for the southeast to vote for you, for your vice presidential ambition. You thought say you be Igbo, nothing where they do for southeast where you dey go. But you said you are Igbo. Now we want Anioma state. You say you don't want to make Anioma state join southeast. If you are truly Igbo, just like you said, will you be saying that you don't want Anioma state to be part of southeast? No. Ndida Sobia socio-cultural organization with the Igbo unification movement visited the Obi of our kingdom. He told us that our kingdom migrated from Unri kingdom in Anambra state. He said that the founder of our kingdom is called Odogu. Odogu migrated from Unri. He was the first Obi of our kingdom. Even when the community of you Okowa is of Igbo origin, you are using your identity to play politics. You are using the identity of Anioma people to play politics. You don't want to unite with your ancestry. It's very bad, Okowa. Because of this, Okowa now, Anioma state agitation is now of two sides. The ones wey wan join southeast and the ones wey no wan join southeast. And the ones wey no wan join southeast, now those ones where they support you, those ones where they follow you, those kings that are in support of what you are doing, and the ones that are saying that they don't want Anioma state to join southeast, just like the Asaba of Asaba. You, Ifeanyi and Asaba of Asaba, two of them are close friends. And because you don't want to make Anioma state join southeast, now why the Asaba of Asaba too, they thought say you don't want to make Anioma state join southeast. You and them, they do the same thing. They follow you. This thing that Ifeanyi is doing now, Ifeanyi have it in mind that if you come out tomorrow say you won't go for presidency, southeast will never vote for you. If you come out say you won't go vice presidency, southeast will never vote for you. And that's because you are against the southeast. If to say true you want to make Ndi Igbo unite, you go want to make Anioma state to join southeast. But because of your personal ambition, you are sabotaging the unity that we, the Igbo unification movement, have been working hard to see that Ndi Igbo unite. Ifeanyi, if you check very well, you will see that our royal fathers in this Anioma, royal fathers like the Obi of Abo, the Obi of Abo, the Obi of Idumujuboko, they started the agitation for Anioma state in 1938. And they want Anioma state to be in the southeast. They want Anioma people to join eastern region. That is what they are fighting for. And that is why we, the Igbo unification movement, are doing everything possible to see that we Anioma people join our Southeast brothers. But you, Ifeanyi Okowa, you say you don't want to make Anioma people join Southeast because you want to make you be the grandfather of Anioma people. Ifeanyi Okowa, you don't know say this thing where they do now, where you don't want to make Anioma state to join Southeast. Our Southeast brothers are taking note of it. We, the Igbo unification movement, we are taking note of it. We are taking record because a time will come, you will need the help of the Southeast, but you will never see it because we go bring out all this issue up. Few months ago, Rotimi Amaechi said that the reason why he is saying that he is Igbo is simply because he is agitating for Ndi Igbo. He said that Ndi Igbo are being marginalized in Nigeria, and in order to stand with Ndi Igbo, he started saying that he is an Igbo man. So, if Rotimi Amaechi come out tomorrow and say he won't go for presidency, we Igbo nation will never vote for him. Because we know that he is only using Ndi Igbo for his personal ambition. He not like Ndi Igbo. He not see himself as Igbo man. So, make you not talk that and finish. Come if he say, tomorrow if you come and start the campaign, say he won't be president, say Southeast go vote for him. Lie, it will never work. Make him go for vice presidency. We Ndi Igbo, we never vote for him. This is why some people are saying, Igbo man won't go for presidency. Ndi Igbo are not voting for him. We will never vote for such a person. Because we know say, if such person enter that place, he will never work for the interest of Ndi Igbo because he not see himself as Igbo person. So Ifeanyi Okowa, you there for the category of Rotimi Amaechi. Two of them are the same thing. You people are only Igbo because of your selfish interest, not for the interest of Igbo nation. Ifeanyi Okowa, stop dividing Ndi Igbo. We Anioma people are Igbo people. Anioma state must be actualized and zoned to the Southeast. And stop claiming an identity that you know deep inside you that you are not what you are calling yourself. You said you are Igbo. I'm here to tell you that you are not what you say you are. You are not an Igbo person. Stop using Ndi Igbo to play politics. If you really mean that you are an Igbo man, then stop fighting the zoning of Anioma state to the Southeast. Ishewale.